Oh, hi. Guess what? It's time to praise the Lord. Alright? So, tonight, I love you all. I hope you had a good Sabbath day. And just want to say, praise the Lord, bitches. I love you. And let's just praise the Lord. He's so good to us. Woo! Bitches! That was really tasty, actually. It was yummy. Bitches! My good friend came and brought this vanilla rum. It's probably girly booze because it was actually really easy to drink. All that. What I just did was, I should have done, but I wanted you to feel my passion. I wanted, like, that potential energy that I was telling you about the other day that would just explode inside you with the chicken. Okay? Well, I just wanted to help you feel the passion. Okay. All right. Praise the Lord. Love you. Bye.